In this video, I'll show you how to add fonts to Adobe Photoshop. First, open any browser on your system and search for DayFont, which is one of the most popular websites for downloading different types of fonts. Click on the official link to open the website. Once you're on the website, you'll see various font options. You can also search for a specific font by typing its name into the search box located on the right side of the screen. After finding the font you want, simply click on the Download button next to it. This will download a zip file of the font to your computer. For example, let's say the font you downloaded is called Ultra Cream. Next, open Photoshop and use the Type tool to type in any text. When you select the text and go to the Font Family menu at the top of the screen, you won't see the new font listed because it hasn't been installed yet. To fix this, close Photoshop. Then, navigate to the location where you downloaded the font. If you prefer, you can move the zip file to a new folder to keep things organized. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract here. This will extract several files. Look for the file with the type OpenType font file. Double-click on this file and click on the Install button. The font will now be installed on your system. Once the installation is complete, open Photoshop again. Open any project and type in some text. Select the text, go to the Font Family menu at the top of the screen and type in the name of the newly installed font. This time the font will appear in the list. Select it and the font will be applied to your text. This is how you can add fonts to Adobe Photoshop.